Well, I'm actually quite disappointed. I thought I thought there was plenty of reasonable doubt in this case, and based primarily on the quality of these witnesses that the prosecution called. There were, after cross-examination, I don't know that you could have believed anything they said, but I haven't had a chance to read the judge's decision, so I don't know, how he came to his decision. The two of the key witnesses for the prosecution, who were pointing at my client as the shooter, had him shooting from different parts of the car, first of all. But these are people who, in cross-examination admitted they didn't know what they were talking about, admitted that they weren't sure, they were drinking, they were this, they were that. They were flip-flopping on their evidence. So, with something like that, credibility is very important, and it's, from my perspective, as I said to the judge in closing arguments, I don't know how we can base a case on that, which requires a solid foundation. There's certainly, in my view, there wasn't a solid foundation.
And how are your client and his family feeling right now?
Well, particularly his grandmother, who I spoke to, is quite upset. He's a young guy. He's been in jail for this. She's quite upset. He's turning 18 in a week or two, and so they had other hopes and plans for his 18th birthday rather than being in jail. And I just spoke to my client, and he's taken this in stride. He's taken it in stride, which is remarkable for a young man. Facing these charges, that he said, "Well, I'll leave it up to you. You're going to do the best you can, and here going forward." So that's how he is.